Guys, it's Cammy. So today we will be doing a quick little review of Froose fruit snacks. Um, so they come in a little package. I'm not sure how many come in one package. They're supposed to be gummy. There's 5 packages in here. So I've opened them already, and there's all these flavors that I supposedly were told that these are all natural and everything, but it looks by the ingredients that these are natural. They don't have any dyes or anything. I'm going to take a quick little read at these. I don't know if you can see that, but those are just the ingredients. Okay, so I'm going to pull out a Froose fruit snack gummy. So this is basically it. It comes in a little package. These are gummies, and for you, those who don't eat gelatin, these do not have gelatin. These have pectin. They're called Froose, fruit snacks, and mousses. Good idea. So they just come in individual pouches. How many? They have 70 calories in them, so not bad, especially for kids. They're gluten-free. They support digestive health with a good source of fiber, and they're reduced sugar. So the first one I'm going to pull out is a red Froose. I'm going to try to morph this a little bit. I mean, it's not too gummy, but it's just a little fruit snack, so I will take a bite of it. It tastes more like licorice. Definitely getting some licorice in this. I only got 2 flavors. What do you know? I also got this little, I'm not sure, I'm assuming this is lemon lime. Yeah. Oh my god, was cherry. Tastes like strawberry licorice. Lemon lime. These are all shaped in the same little shape. I'm not gonna lie. These are alright. I mean, out of all the ones I had, I think the cherry are the only ones that are really that great. So, I think my suggestion was 2 out of a scale of 1 to 5, 1 being the worst, 5 being the best, so I think I would have to give this a 2. Anyway, thanks so much for watching. I hope you tune in to my other videos and maybe go out and buy these, try them for yourself, do a video review for yourself on this, whatever. See you guys later.